figure since I got the hood off this 87 Ram 50, I should take care of the other thing that bothers me. Is there is an exhaust leak right here at the old air injection system. Now, I've been told by reliable sources that I just need to cut this pipe somewhere up here, then smash that flat with a hammer, and then take a quarter, put a quarter in the end of the tube or in the manifold, and thread this piece back on, and that's gonna seal it up. Be good enough? We're gonna go quarter, something like that. I'll start this thing up and see if we have an exhaust leak still. If I don't hear an exhaust leak, let me see if I can feel one. Nope, absolutely nothing. Johnny B from Peoria, that was an awesome tip, man. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Maybe the hood will be done by then.